Carls.
Again. How do you read this word?
Licks.
What's the sound of I in here?
I.
Again, how do you read this?
I.
L, L, I.
Like.
Likes. Okay, again.
Like.
From the top, from the top. From the top.
Carls.
Carls? Is there an S in there? Kung wala sang S, don't produce the sound S. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Carls.
Carls? Carl lang na, wala S, oh. Carl is, not Carls. Again, again.
Carl is a cat. Carl likes so the can lick.
Silent letter L, no sound. Letter L in here has no sound. Don't move the paper. The film si teacher pala. Carls. Carls. Is this Carls or Carl? Again?
Carl likes to play cards.
Again. Nico, look at the letters. There's letter S in there after the letter L. Why read this one as Carls? Because there's no letter S.
Carl.
Okay, again.
Carl likes to eat feed.
What's the sound of S and H? Again?
Like fish.
Okay.
At the in the
Sound. We just have to produce the sound of each letter.
end of the by
The
year.
What did I told you about the sound of the vowel? If it is written before letter Y, they have long vowel sound or they take the long vowel sound. The A, yeah.
They are Carls.
What's the sound of letter U? Ah, K.
U.
Sit down properly. Ang bani teacher, the sound of letter W. Letter U is A. So that is
A.
Earls.
Girls. A.
Okay.
E.
How do you read this sight word? Pero medyo pa lagi na pa rin ni teacher. Kanin mo. And.
And. At. Nasa babaw.
Here na kita, oh.
E. P.
Sleep.
P. Sleep. Eat. Sleep.
With S. Sleep. Well, just until P. May S pa nga sound.
Eat. Sleep.
Sleep.
Sleep. By the
I know always ginatelling sa mo ni teacher, when the word ends with E, change the middle vowel sound.
I heard find you are heard
How do you read this word? No sound si letter E at the end.
are a old good
Good. Kung daw, wala man teacher, strong sound.
old good cat cars
Carl's. This is just Carl.
car
Again? How about this one?
e
How do we read S-C-I? S-er. S-er. Sir. Ay! Letter E at the end of words ga. No sound na sila. Silent na. Sir. This one is sir. The sound of letter C in here is just like the sound of S. So that is sir. Sir. Ang ba ni teacher? Wala sound si E. Why circle E? Circle. Well, just until letter L because letter E has no sound. That is sir. Again?
circle eat
It. Letter ni circle. Again.
circle
T. Tiff. Circle T. Okay, F.
the
Ano ka bali teacher? Kung long gani, dyan we could pair the letters by 2 or 3. How do you read this? Ang bali teacher?